Hivers, welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today, we're going to be making a quick card using some of the 2024 to 2026 In Colors, the Designer Series paper pack for the In Colors, as well as the Grateful Blessings stamp set, okay? Before we get started on our project, of course, we have to go over the buzzworthy business of the day. I have our notes from the Heart Paper Pumpkin Kit here. It's going to make 9 projects. Blackberry Bliss is the stamping spot. Mary Tags and More Dies add-on, $12. October, November, and December paper pumpkin kits coordinate with these dies. There's a link in the description box below for you to sign up for the paper pumpkin if you haven't already done so. I would like for you to visit my blog at honeybeestampinhive.com to get all of the buzzworthy business going on with Stampin' Up. So as far as sales and promotions, just visit my website and you can always find it there. That's all I have for you today for the buzzworthy business. Let's go ahead and get started on our card. We're going to do some stamping first. This is just a piece of scrap paper that I'm going to stamp on. This piece here is 3.5 by 1/2 inch. And we're going to do our stamping in Memento Tuxedo Black. Again, this ink pad, I made it myself. It was for the white pigment ink. It comes uninked with your white refill, but instead I refilled it with the Tuxedo Memento Black. And I'm going to just stamp this, try to get it centered. This is our greeting that says, "I'm grateful for you." Just like that. Then I have another greeting that says, "You're such a blessing." And we're going to stamp that on this paper here. Then I have a 2 3/8 inch circle punch. We're going to punch this out. So just get it lined up how you want it. And punch. Okay. And then we have one more thing to stamp here in the Tuxedo Black. And it's a floral image. I wanted to punch first to make sure I didn't get too close to where I needed to punch. So that's all we need the black ink for. And now this is a 2-step stamp, this particular stamp here. And we're going to fill it in with the Petunia Pop. Beautiful color. I love this color. Okay, and let me see if I can get over this. Just like that. We'll close up our inks. I'm gonna get my, what are these? My scissors, my paper snips. Oh, before I do that, I have the Shy Shamrock Stampin' Blend. And we're going to color in our leaves. There's one tiny one up there. Okay. So I'm going to fussy cut this. And it's probably going to take me a minute because I am going to go all in between here. So I will get this cut out and I'll be right back. Okay, so here's all of our stamped images. So we have that done. So let me go ahead and let you know I have a piece of Petunia Pop here that is 3 5/8 by 5/8 inches. And we're going to adhere our label here onto that. So we're going to layer those together. It's not a label, is it? Well, it's the sentiment layer. We're just going to layer that up, just like that. And then I have the inside for our card. It is 4 inches by 5 1/4. So this is 5 by 3 3/4. So we're gonna put these two together. This is for our inside. I'm using Tombow liquid glue. I probably should be using my, oh, I hope that wasn't the wrong paper. Okay, so I have another piece here. I think this is 5 1/4 as well, 5 1/4 by 4. So when I get my cards together, sometimes I forget that I need to make the video. So I had a piece of basic white that was 5 by 3 3/4, and then some designer series paper that was 4 7/8 by 3 5/8, and I went ahead and adhered them together. Yeah, because I forgot. So it was scrap, as you can see, but I forgot that I was like, oh man, I'm not supposed to put this together yet. Wait for the video. So we're just going to layer that onto this black piece of cardstock, just like that. Then I have another piece of Petunia Pop that is 5 3/8 by 4. What did I say? 4 1/8. And we're going to layer this on top of there. Just like this. Just want the tiniest bit of border on there. Okay, so now we have a card base here. Petunia Pop is 4 1/4 by 11, scored at 5 1/2 and 2 3/4, because we're going to make an easel card. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and put our inside into our card. Oh yeah, put our inside into our card base. I'm going to go ahead and line this up inside, just like this. Okay, and I should have done it before. Oh, I've got it on there now. Let me see. This was supposed to have a ribbon going around it, and I meant to do it around the black because I don't want this ribbon showing when our card is lifted up. I don't know. Let me see what I can do. I think I might just have to, no, I'm gonna do it. So let me get my Stampin' Seal, which I should have been using anyway. I keep saying I want to practice using this. And I'm just gonna put some down here low. Hopefully I didn't go up too high. So let me see. I want to put my ribbon about right there. Yeah. As high as I can get it is what I'm trying to do. Okay. That looks pretty good. So let's go ahead and put some adhesive on this portion of our card base. I don't want to put it on the back of our panel because I don't want to put it too high. So we're just gonna layer. Oh, did I go too low? I'm gonna layer this right onto our card front because it is a tiny border. Let's see how we did. Ooh, a little bit of my Stampin' Seal is above where it needs to be, but I can take care of that. It'll come right off. That way we won't be gluing our mechanism shut. Okay, so let me get some Stampin' Dimensionals. We're gonna pop up this long sentiment here, because this is going to be our stopper for our easel. We can go ahead and put that in. I can't believe I forgot to put my ribbon on. So how far do we want this to go up? About right there. That looks good. So what did I just say? About right here. About right there. Let's see if that's straight before I push it down. It's straight enough for me. Okay, so now we can decorate the outside of our card, and I am going to layer these on. Do I want this on Stampin' Dimensionals? No, I think I'm gonna put these down flat. So let me get my liquid adhesive here. Oh, I should have made a petunia pop layer for my sentiment here. I didn't think about it till just now, and I don't know. I could have gotten some paper out real quick, but it's too late now. I've stuck it down. Maybe next time. And did I push this over too far? Oh, I did. But that's okay. We'll have that poking off. We'll just cut it off. Okay, so we have that like this. Then I have another piece of the, oh, this is the Petunia Pop ribbon. I'm just using it. It's the bordered, it's called bordered ribbon. And I'm gonna slide that under there. We're just gonna tie a knot. Just like this. And we're gonna get our scissors, trim that down a bit. Just like that. Okay. And we are going to add some bling. So I have the 24 to 26 In Color Shimmer Gems. Get my Take Your Pick tool. And we're gonna add some gems on here. So let's fill in some of this white space here. And how about one right there? And that is our card done. Isn't that cute? Oh, we might need to cut that off. That's not gonna fit in the envelope, is it? Okay, there we go. There we go. Isn't that pretty? I love this color. Then it just stands up like that to display your full message, and you still have room in here to write all of the things. Okay, you guys, that's it. That's all. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I want to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.